What's up, guys?
Welcome to the McMillan Express Halloween edition.
Ooh.
So we went to Halloween Horror Nights last year, which was an absolute blast. We love Halloween Horror Nights. If you missed that video, we'll put a link up here and down in the description, so be sure to check that out.
Absolutely.
This year...
Came across a corn maze.
Oh, gosh. Okay, guys, so on my bucket list has always been a corn maze, and we came across one.
No, that was always on my bucket list.
No, my bucket list.
She stole it.
Okay, unfortunately, this corn maze has a haunted corn maze for Halloween at nighttime. So, of course, this guy, what does he want to do?
Want to go check out the haunted corn maze.
No. So, I figure it'll just be like a real life
Scary movie.
haunted house, maybe?
Oh, I was thinking more of a scary movie.
I don't know, guys, but I'm super nervous.
I did read that we should be bringing our own flashlights.
So we have plenty of flashlights.
And I got a small one, a retractable one here.
So we should be all set on the flashlight front.
I think so.
So follow us along
as we explore the haunted corn maze.
Who wears Crocs to a corn maze? I'll tell you who.
This
Ben.
guy. Yeah. I've never been to a corn maze before, so I don't know what to expect.
Well, me either, but I knew we were going to be in a cornfield, you big weirdo.
Well, you're from Dunnellon, so
What?
there's
And
that.
I'm proud of it.
You should know about cornfields. I'm a city slicker.
I do, and I wear tennis shoes. So you got a feel for walking through fields of corn now?
Yep, I think I'm ready for the haunted portion of this extravaganza.
All right, a few minutes. It's going to be dark.
It's about to get real.
Oh, boy.
We're still waiting. We were waiting in line for a little while, and we kind of got tired of waiting in line because I guess they're waiting for it to get dark before they let people in.
Yeah, and I had to go potty.
The porta potties here are surprisingly really nice.
Right? I've never seen porta potties that don't stink or smelt. Seen, smelt.
Yep, what she said. But I've never seen the little hand wash station either, which I thought was amazing.
Ben was fascinated by the hand washing station at the porta potties.
Yeah, see, you know, me being a city slicker and all, I'm not used to that kind of stuff. Now, people like her from Dunnellon, they probably see that stuff all the time in the Fairfields.
We literally grew up probably 20, 25 miles apart. Don't let him fool you.
Yeah, it's a huge difference, bro.
He's a big country bumpkin.
Anywho, looks like they're starting to let people in, so follow us along, guys. It's awfully dark in here. Here they come. Here they come. They're everywhere. Don't be scared. Here they come. It's awfully quiet. That can't be good.
Oh.
Getting awfully dark up in here.
Wow, you are scary.
You want to go in front of me?
There's an alien on the loose.
running. Oh, they're running. Every day I'm shuffling. Jeez.
What'd you think, baby?
You know, I had a great time. My expectations weren't very high to begin with, so it exceeded my expectations.
I thought it was a blast.
Yeah.
I screamed so much. My sore throat's even more sore now.
Yeah, anytime I get a chance to see you scream or get scared, that makes my night or day. So
I think Halloween Horror Nights was good training for this.
yeah,
There's something different about being outside at night in the middle of a cornfield, though.
that's true.
I mean, that in itself is a whole different feeling than any other haunted house I've ever been in.
Yeah, because you can see the stars in the sky, and it's kind of an eerie feeling at night being outside in the open like that.
Yeah, but you couldn't really tell in this corn maze what was a decoration or somebody going to jump out at you. So I really enjoyed that aspect of it because you didn't know whether to be scared of something or not to be scared of something. And just when you thought it was not something to be scared of, it would move or jump out at you or whatever.
Yeah. There was a lot of runners tonight, too.
Oh, man, as soon as the chainsaw starts, forget it, man. We just get out of the way and let them run past us.
See, we're conditioned because, Halloween Horror Nights, you hear chainsaws all the time.
Constantly.
I don't think the guys out here or the ladies out here are accustomed to that. So as soon as they hear that chainsaw, like Christina says, they take off running.
Yeah, the chainsaws don't scare me as much as the clowns and stuff jumping out at. I'm not scared of clowns, but overall it was an absolute blast.
Yep, absolutely. And this was in Patterson, California.
Yep, and I can't remember the name of the place that we're at, but of course we'll link it in the description.
Somewhere around here.
Yeah, and I think that's it. So happy Halloween 2019 from the McMillan Express. So as usual, guys, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to
Don't forget to subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell.
to get a notification every Friday when we release a video.
Until then, the McMillan Express out. Peace.
So mean. Happy Halloween!